So this is going to be a quick video about using Jing for screenshots and screen recordings. If you search for Jing with Google, you should find this link you see here, Jing screenshots. So I'll click on that. To use Jing, of course, it's a one-time download and install. Unless you're in our computer labs, then you have to install it every time you use the computer. So free download, pick your Windows or Macintosh. I'm going to go ahead and save that installer, and once that gets downloaded, then you go ahead and just run that installer. And click the little tick box to accept the fine print. Press the install button, and it should go ahead and install it. Once you've installed Jing, you're going to get a funny little half circle at the top of your screen, and that's the Jing menu. And the Jing menu basically has three menu options. One is the capture, history of videos and snapshots you've taken, and then various settings and whatnot. I'm going to take a quick look at the settings. If you go into the settings, you've got a bunch of different buttons here. One is you can just quit from Jing. There's the help. Far left is you can close the settings window, see feedback, and then the middle one allows you to set some preferences. I'm going to take a look at that. The preferences you might want to change would be, you might want to change the launch on startup. If you have a low-end computer, you may not want Jing to start up every time you turn on your computer. You can just tick that. And then when you want to start Jing, you just use it like any other program on your computer. Go to your start menu, type in Jing, and you can run the program. And then when you're finished, you can come in and exit Jing, and it will leave your system. So that's the key one I wanted to show you here. So now I'm finished looking at that. I'll click this. So to actually make a snapshot with Jing, essentially you just go to your little menu option, use the far left, click the capture, and then you specify with your crosshairs what you want to capture. So if I wanted to just capture a little quick screen snapshot of this area up here, I move my crosshairs to the top left corner of what I want to capture, then hold the button down, left button, and just drag to the lower right and let go, and it will capture that portion of your screen. Now, right now you see I have four options here. One, I can just capture an image, I can start capturing a video, I can redo my selection if I didn't get the selected area of the screen correctly, or I can just bail out. So let's just do a quick image capture, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'll just click that. And here's the little window, and you have a bunch of different tools. Now this works a little bit better than the snipping tool because I like the tools a little bit better. You can point at things with the arrow tool, plus you can drag that arrow around and do those kinds of things. You can type some text right here in your capture. Just type some text. Change the font size, change the color, and so on and so forth. You can select an area of your capture, so on and so forth, and you can change the color of these things with the tool color here. And then you can also highlight areas of your capture with the highlighting tool. Now the magic comes when you're finished with your capture, whether it's a screen snapshot or a screen recording. You have some options down here. You'll notice at the bottom I have four options. One is to actually upload this capture directly to my account at screencast.com, or I can save it locally, which in some respects is not that useful, but if you wanted to actually have that screen snapshot or recording saved to your local computer, that's easy enough right there. Or just copy it, and it copies it to the clipboard, or cancel that capture. I don't want to customize my buttons here. Now also, if you have the Snagit program on your computer, you can actually edit this snap with your Snagit. Snagit's a really great screen capture software program. So I'm just going to upload to screencast.com, so I'll click that upload button, and it's busy uploading, and it didn't take it long to do it. And notice what it says up here. It says your capture has been sent and the link is ready to be pasted. That means that the link is on your clipboard. so that if you want to paste that into an email or something like that, it's ready to go. Now if I close this, I can just demonstrate it. I'll open up a brand new window here in my browser, and I'll just paste so that you can see that when I paste that, it puts the URL right there in my browser, and then I'll just hit enter, and it goes to screencast.com, and there's the snapshot that I just took. Let's go ahead and I'll just close that window. In fact, I'll leave a blank one open. Let's go ahead and capture a little bit of a recording. So I'll just go ahead and click the capture button. Highlight a little area of my screen. And now down here with my 4 options, I'll click the capture video button. So I'll capture video. And it says which microphone do you want to use. If you have a microphone hooked up, I'll just go ahead and use that microphone. Click continue. And now it's going to capture this area of my screen right here. So I could, like, for instance, click on, oh, I don't know, Angry Birds. Let's see what that does. So I went out, and you can only see part of the screen here. But there's the Angry Birds, and it says it's loading. And I'm not going to do anything with Angry Birds here, but you can see that it's actually doing something. And there's my little video. So I'm ready to stop this video now. I don't want to watch any more of it. And I'm just going to go ahead and come down here and hit the stop button. So it just stops. It opens up a little preview panel here, and you can change the name of your video. But let's go ahead and click the little play button. My screen right here. So I can, like, for instance, click on, oh, I don't know, Angry Birds. Let's see what that does. And I want to upload that to Screencast. Again, the upload process is the same. I can save it locally, but that's not going to be very useful to have it locally on your computer. So if I hit the upload to Screencast, and now it's going to upload my video. Now this is a lot bigger. You can see here it's 1.4 megabytes. And uploading at home, of course, you don't have the fastest upload speeds. But once it finishes uploading, then again it's going to copy the URL to your clipboard, and then you can paste that URL into an email message, into a document. You can paste it anywhere you want to paste anything. Or you can always go back to screencast.com and log in to get these URLs, but let me just show you here as soon as it finishes uploading. So it says it's pasted it, it's copied it, it's ready to be pasted, so I'll close this. Now, since it's on my clipboard, I can just paste, and there's the URL. Go ahead and just hit enter, and it comes up, and there's my little video. I'll go ahead and click that. We can just watch and see a little part of it. So I could, like, for instance, click on, oh, I don't know, Angry Birds. Let's see what that does. So I went out, and you can only see part of the screen here. This video now. I don't want to watch it. So that's how easy that is. So just download Jing. You only have to install it once, create that account, and you should be good to go to create Jing videos. You have a 5-minute limit on Jing. If you go to the Jing, TechSmith, you can go out and look at their various products and whatnot. They have some great products. They're Camtasia Studios, fantastic screen recording program. But you can go look at Jing, and they have the little tutorials out there for Jing, and so you see this nice little list of tutorials. So there's lots you can read about to get that to work for you.